For this project, we have been provided with 5 different data sets to work with. And the first data set is the store location data. The store location data has just 2 columns in it. And the first column is the store ID, which is a unique identifier for each store location. The second column is the location, which is the geographical location or address of the store. For the store location data, the store ID is the primary key. Next, we have the customer's data. The customer data contains 3 columns, with the customer ID being the primary key for this data. The customer ID is a unique identifier for each customer. We have the customer name, which is the full name of the customer, and the location, which is the address or general location of the customer. The third data we have been provided with is the product data. For the product data, the product ID, which is a unique identifier for each product, is the primary key. The second column in this data is the product name. The product name is the title or the name given to the product. The subcategory is a division within the main product category. We have the product category, which is a broader category to which the product belongs, and the price. The price is the retail price for that product. The next data we have been provided with is the sales personnel data. The sales personnel data has the personnel ID as the primary key. The personnel ID is a unique identifier for each sales personnel member. We have the personnel name, which is the full name of the sales personnel member. We have date joined. The date joined is the date when the sales personnel member started working. We have the store ID. The store ID is a foreign key that references the store ID in the store location table. It indicates the store where the sales personnel member works. And the last data we'll be working with for this project is the sales order table. For the sales order table, we have the order ID. This is our facts table for this project. We have the order ID, which is the primary key for the sales order table. The order ID is a unique identifier for each sales transaction. We have the sales date, which is the date that the sale took place. We have the product ID. The product ID in this data is a foreign key that references the product ID in the product table. This indicates the product that was sold. We have the customer ID, which is also a foreign key referencing the customer ID in the customer's table, and it indicates the customer that made the purchase. We have the personnel ID, which is also a foreign key referencing the personnel ID in the sales personnel table. It indicates the sales member who handled the transaction. Sales channel specifies the medium through which the sale was made. There are 2 mediums. We have online and in-store. Then we have the quantity. The quantity is the number of units of product sold in the transaction. We have the sales amount, which is the total sales amount of the transaction. We have the payment mode. The payment mode is the method used to pay for the transaction, either debit card or cash. And lastly, we have the store ID. The store ID is also a foreign key that references the store ID in the store location table. It indicates the store where this transaction took place.